This tutorial explains how to use Softmax Pro version 1 input plugin module for QuBAS. QuBAS expects data in CSV format encoded as UTF-8 text, one plate at a time. The SMP importer takes an export file from SMP, converts it to UTF-8 encoding, and, if it contains multiple plates, splits it into separate plates and places them in the import room in QuBAS, ready for standard processing. Note that the results from these plates can be combined if required at a later stage in QuBAS. Note also that it is not necessary to create any specific template in SMP, as only the response values are required for QuBAS. QuBAS can read the data from the export file if this has been entered in Notes sections in Softmax Pro. In order for the importer to function, it is important that the export file is configured correctly. Metadata is added to the export file using the Notes facility. Please follow the following steps. Create a Notes section that will contain the method metadata such as assay ID, plate reader ID, operator ID, etc. This should be the top Notes section. Create new Notes sections for each plate to be exported, containing the ID information for the substance type metadata, reference, sample, QC, and so on. Note that QuBAS will expect the order of this information to be the same for each plate, as each plate will be read using the same data file template. Here is the Notes information for plate 1, and here for plate 2. When complete, select Export from the File menu. Select the notes and plates to export. Note, do not include the intro. This adds a lot of information about Softmax Pro version, etc., but QuBAS is not designed to accept this. Then select Raw or Reduced Data. If you select Reduced Data, this will delete masked cells from the exported file. If you select Raw Data, masked cells are ignored. Finally, select the output format as plate and click OK. Now select the location for the file export. Note, if you are using the auto import function in QuBAS, make sure you select the predefined folder and save. And that's all there is to it. In QuBAS, make sure you use the Softmax Pro importer plugin and browse to the exported file.